To set up your FT2000 dish machine for daily operation, install all strainer pans and scrap baskets in each section. Make sure the external scrap basket is installed in the load end of the machine. Install the strainer pans and scrap baskets in each wash zone. The strainer pan will go in first, followed by the scrap basket. For machines equipped with the automatic soil removal, the ASR basket must be installed in the pre-wash chamber. Make sure all wash arms are installed and close all wash arm sliders. Install all curtains following the curtain labels. Make sure the curtain color and the letter stamp match the label. Swing all drain levers to the right to the closed or run position. The drain levers are located near the floor at the front of each tank. Note, if a drain is not closed, tank fill time exceeded, confirm drain lever is closed, check incoming water supply will display on the screen. Press the power button on the control to power the machine on and start filling the machine. The display will light up and the machine will fill automatically. The tank filling graphic will display on the screen while filling. If a door is open, closed doors will display on the screen. Close the door to resume the fill cycle. The screen will display ready and show the temperatures when the tanks are full. The rinse water temperature will not display until wear enters the rinse zone.